In, Good morning, everyone. In today's session, we're going to discuss about how people search in the information retrieval techniques. Myself, Sharmila, Assistant Professor, working in Department of CSE in R.M.D. Engineering College. And today's topic is about in the information retrieval technique. The code is CS8080. How the people will search. That is the main key idea about information retrieval. How the people will search the document in the web. Is it correct? So we're going to discuss the first introduction about focus on how human user for searching system, search user interface, that is window through which search system they will search. User interface role is understanding and expression of their information need. Interface should help user formulate their query, select among available information source, understand the search result, keep track of the progress of their research. So here, depending on the type of task, depending on the information seeker, depending on the amount of time and effort available to invest in the process, that is the information lookup exploratory system. Information lookup in the sense how they are satisfied with the discrete piece of information, number of date, names, website, the search information, how they satisfied. If they are not satisfied, what they will do? They will keep on changing the query multiple times. They'll change the query and they'll change the information. They'll get the retrieval data. Require more than single query response pair. Research to spend time reading multiple information item. New understanding is needed. So exploratory system they will do. What they will do is they divide into learning and investigation task. That is the main idea about how the people will search. Investigation in the sense they will find the large portion of the relevant document, whether it is available, not available, multiple iterations, whether it's take long time period like that. They'll investigate. Sense making is nothing but iterative process of formulating representation of large collection. Some sense making activities, interviews, search throughout, while other consist of doing a batch of search followed by a batch of analysis and synthesis. So how people search, that is legal discover process, studying customer complaints to improve service, business intelligence. These are the different example of deep analysis task of sense making. So here the difference between classic and dynamic model. Classic notation is nothing but information tree. That is problem identification, query formulation, result evaluation. But in the dynamic nature of the research processes, the user learn, they search. They need to adjust the relevant queries by like how the sometimes we'll pick the berry picking model search like that they will be keep on dynamically think whether which is suitable to look at the result that come back to reformulate the query based on the result. That is a difference between classic and dynamic model. So here in that navigation is important. How they will navigate is nothing but they'll browse among the available information, whether it is match, whether it is relevant, whether it is a piece of document we are searching for, whether the browsing experience might be frustrating or we feel happy, whether we got the content like that, we'll navigate. Then in that searching process, according to the relevant query history or reinvestigation or the searcher often search for the information previously what they have accessed, whether they used it or not like that they will their web has some data history. According to the history the relevant data is produced to the customer, that is a web search person, the user task. So here, these are the search interface. Today, we're going to search in the web search engine. Already what is exist is web directories, query specification search, and directory search. We'll search for a short words and we'll search for an content what is formulated, what is relevant to the query. So we have a different query specification interface. First one is we're going to discuss about YELP. That is a one website. It's searching for a location using a second form. So what they are searching is they are searching for a restaurant Washington DC. Some query they have given. What query they have given? Restaurant Washington DC. What is the content they are getting is location. So that is a Yelp. Second website is isvient.com, which is the first box is labeled what are you looking for. In that you should type some content like comedy on bed. So it will show what is the bed means Wednesday. Wed means wedding. So what the particular tomorrow means query specific. What is the data? What is the date? What is the relevant content related to that today or tomorrow or Wednesday? Like that we can search in the website called Zevent. Z event that is. Next website is netflix.com. In that we can search different movies like query session. It will give the session if you type the hero name, it will give different movies collection. Next one is about next bio. It's a group of by type form. So we'll type some word, it will show the group of people, what is the relevant to that document, it will show the result. So this is a website called as Yahoo. You are searching rainbow. What is rainbow? How the picture was, and rainbow Wikipedia. What are the different colors in rainbow? Like that, you will get a relevant result. This is a Google search engine. You are searching for rocket movie, or rocket NBA.com, or rocket Wikipedia encyclopedia, or the real rocket image. Like that, you will get a different content. If you type in that whatever related to that answer, you will get a result. That is Google search engine. This is a biotext. For in this website, if you search for some article, no, it will give the all the images present in that article. It will be displayed. So these are the different. This is a Microsoft Live Search result. They are searching for IMF. It's showing the International Monetary Fund. So what it is, what is a fund, what is a fund value, how today's live current price of that fund, stock market, it will display the result. That is Microsoft Live Search Engine query. So these are the different search engines available, and this is one example for fasted navigation. So here, if you type some word, no, it related document, what are the content available, all the content will be showed in that result. This is findex clustering. In that findex clustering, you will get a different cluster. For example, I am the author of one paper. With me is what who is the second author. With that second author, who is the first author? Like we it make a cluster and it display the output. So today's video what we have discussed is what are the user different queries, how they will change the query and how they will search change for a result, and what are the different search engines available in the current market, how it works. So in that information retrieval technique, how the information is retrieved by the different websites that we have discussed. I hope you understand. Thank you for listening.